you playing outside? Look at him, he's so cute. Don't take a picture of me.
Aunt Rachel. Were you trying to get
Are you
Fenway?
getting ready to go? Hi, buddy. You're my best friend.
He's like, where'd you go?
Hey, here I am. Hi. Damn, your eye looks fucked up. You put medicine in
Watch your language, Rachel.
Did you put medicine in her?
No.
Why is it yellow?
It's got pink eye.
I know, but why is it yellow coming out?
Because
Is that what
on the
happens?
eye.
Is that what happens when the baby gets pink eye?
You scared Fenway off.
What's Fenway? Fenway! He's over there. He's getting ready to crawl. He's got his shorts and stuff on. You're so cute. I love you.